Hi, welcome to Fun with Monica. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Calico Critters Family Campervan. This set includes a campervan, a rack, a table, a stove, sink, and dashboard, baby seats, 2 seats/beds, a baby scooter, a mountain bike for children, a baby helmet, a bucket, a fishing rod, a steering wheel, binoculars, a plate, a corn on the cob, frying pan, grilled fish on stick, and fish. As usual, the creators of Calico Critter made the set feel really well made, not cheap plastic. Young children will probably not be able to easily break this. Now this set didn't come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna go with what the box shows. I like how everything is really well detailed. It looks a lot like an old-fashioned van, but the stickers make it look a lot more fun. The little pieces are so cute! Here are some pictures of the Hopscotch family on their trip. I think the Calico Critters Family Campervan is so much fun. What do you think? Leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.